Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about 12th accountancy afternoon video. So in this afternoon video, we continue the same chapter, that is accounts of not-for-profit organization, and the topic is subscription. How to adjust subscription in the final account of not-for-profit organization. In the previous classes, we discussed about the various topics in this chapter and also some example sums and receipt and payment account and income and expense account and also the subscription topic. In order to more understanding the topic, we discussed two more example sums in the topic of subscription. Okay, so let us take illustration 11. So in this illustration, compute income from subscription for the year 2018 from the following particulars relating to a club. So in this illustration, they are asking to find out the amount of subscription to be shown in the income and expenditure account. In the example sums, they are given two date information. Outstanding subscription 1/1/2018 10,000, that is previous year, that is opening. Subscription received in advance 3,000 in the previous year. Outstanding subscription for the current year 7,000. Subscription received in advance for the current year 5,000. And subscription received during the year is 2018 1,50,000. So with that information, they are asking to find out the income from subscription to be shown in the income and expenditure account. So they are not asking the ledger. You can solve this problem in the examination point of view. White sheet itself you can work out this sum, because of they are not asking the account, they are asking just what is the amount to be shown as subscription. So calculation of income from subscription for the year 2018, write the heading, make necessary column one particular and two amount column. First you can write the subscription received during the year, that is 1 year subscription 1,50,000, and add subscription received in 2018 to 17, that is current year subscription will be received in the previous year. Current year subscription will be received in the previous year. The amount will be 3,000, that should be added. And current year subscription outstanding, that is 2018 subscription outstanding is rupees 7,000. Both the two amount will be added, 3,000 and 7,000, 10,000. So from 1,50,000 add 10,000, the amount is 1,60,000. And then from that amount less subscription outstanding 2017, that is previous year outstanding. Previous year outstanding 10,000 and less subscription received in advance current year. Current year advance received is 5,000. The total amount is 15,000. That should be subtracted. So the net value of the subscription will be 1,45,000. Okay. So as per the specimen, already we discussed about the subscription specimen. Based upon that, you can solve this sum. Before go through this sum, you can once again go through the specimen of a subscription adjustment in final account of not-for-profit organization. Then you can go through this example 11, and also you can work out it in your accounts assignment notebook. Let us see one more example, that is illustration 12. In this illustration, from the following particulars, show how the item subscription will appear in the income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st December 2018. Here also they are asking only one ledger, income and expenditure account. So they are asking how the subscription will be shown in the income and expenditure account. Information are given is subscription received 2018 is 16,000, which include 3,000 for 2017, that is previous year. So previous year 3,000 subscription will be included in 16,000 rupees subscription current year, and 5,000 for 2019, that is next year subscription, it is advance, that should be subtracted. and 3000 will also be subtracted because of both the amount are to be previous and next year amount. Subscription outstanding for the current year is 4000, and subscription of 2000 was received in advance for 2018 in the year of 2017. It should be added because of 2000 subscription will be received in 2017, but that amount will be related to 2018. So this 2000 will be added, and the current year outstanding will also be added. So as per the specimen of a subscription adjustment, you can solve this sum also. They are asking the ledger, so you can work out this sum in ruled sum notebook. Use both the side, that is the left side is debit side, right side is credit side. Write the heading income and expenditure account for the year end 31st December 2018 and make necessary column. Come to the credit side, that is income side. First write the by subscription received during the year, that is 1 year subscription will be 16,000. It is already given in the sum. From that less subscription received in 2017, that is subscription received in current year, but the amount will relate to 2017, 3000, that should be subtracted, and less subscription received in advance, current year advance 5000, that also be subtracted. One by one you can subtract it. So the value will be 8000. From that add current year subscription outstanding 4000, so the net amount is 12,000, and add received in advance in the year of 17, but the amount will be related to 2018, so that amount should be added 2000. So the total value of subscription to be shown in income and expenditure account is 14,000. So with the help of the specimen of adjustment of subscription, you can work out this type of sums, that is subscription related 3 mark and 5 mark sums. If they are asking ledger means you can work out the sum in the ruled sum notebook. Otherwise, if they are asking only the value of the amount means you can work out the sum in the white sheet itself, and that is unruled accounts notebook. Now let us see how the special items, that is sports material, stationery items, medicines, etc. will be adjustable in income and expenditure account and balance sheet of not-for-profit organization. That is consumable items such as sports materials, stationery, bat and ball, medicines, etc. during the year will appear on the debit side of income and expenditure, because of all these are payment, that is recurring payment, revenue payment, that should be taken to debit side of income and expenditure account. That is, first you should take the opening stock of these items, to that add current year purchase and then subtract closing stock. So this is the formula to make these type of adjustments, that is sports material, bat and ball, stationery and medicines. So these special items should be shown in debit side of income and expenditure account, that is expense side, by using this formula. First take opening stock, to that add purchase during the year, from that we can less closing stock, and also the closing stock should be shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Asset side of balance sheet you should show the closing stock of these items, that is closing stock of stationery, closing stock of bat and ball, closing stock of printing and stationery and medicines, and also the sports materials closing stock. If there is any sale of old sports material or sale of a sports bat and ball, sale of medicines or sale of old stationery, that should be shown in the credit side of income and expenditure account. If there is any sale amount of materials, it is one of the revenue income, it should be shown in the credit side of income and expenditure, that is income side. And We can let us see one example sum related to sports materials. Based upon these adjustments, how will the following item will appear in the final account of sports club? They are asking. Stock of sports material, that is opening stock, is given 3000. Sports material purchased during the current year 9000 is given. Sale of old sports material during the current year 500, and closing stock. So from these four items you should take opening stock, add purchase, less closing stock in the debit side of income and expenditure account. In the credit side you can write sale of old sports material rupees 500 in the income side. These are the four items will be shown in the income and expenditure account. And in the balance sheet you can write only the closing stock of sports material rupees 4000 in the asset side of balance sheet. Okay, so let us see the solution. It is income and expenditure account. First you can write the heading, make two sides, debit side and credit side, write all the necessary columns. In the debit side, first two sports material consume, with that first write the opening stock, then add purchase, add it, then less closing stock, subtract it, write the net amount in the outer column. In the credit side, by sale of old sports material you can write 500. No need to balance the ledger, just you can show the item, that is enough. In the balance sheet, write the heading, make the necessary column. In the asset side, closing stock of sports material rupees 4000, you can write it. No need to add the amount or total the amount. So that is the procedure for adjusting sports material in the income and expenditure account and the balance sheet of not for profit organization. With that we conclude this video. We can continue the same chapter in next video. Thank you.